Good morning, sir. My name is T. Lakshmi Narasimha. My roll number is 234G1A0309. Today my topic is find the ratio between maximum and mean ratio of stress. In the question given, the question is a beam of channel select 120 mm into 60 mm has uniform thickness of 50 mm. To draw diagram of distribution of shear stress for a vertical section where shear stress force in 50 kilonewtons. Then find the ratio between maximum and mean shear stress. Then to see the picture, the diagram of mm, then note down the given below data. Then B is equals to 120 mm is flange width. B is given the flange width. H is equals to 60 mm. It is an overall height to the H. Diagram T is equals to 50 mm is an uniform thickness. V is equals to 50 kilonewton. It is an shear force. Then note down the shear stress distributing in a channel section. Then tau is equals to V into Q. Then bar I into T. Then where tau and V, Q, I, T. This is the values of an beam channel selection to the ratio between maximum and shear stress to the diagram. Then tau is equals to shear stress. Then V is equals to shear force 50 kilonewtons. Then Q is equals to first moment of inertia area. I is equals to moment of inertia. T is equals to thickness to the given diameter 50 mm. Then next moment of inertia. Then note down I is equals to 1 bar 12 into 0.12 into 0.06 power 3 minus 0.06 into 0.06 power 3 plus 1 bar 12. Then 0.060 into 15 cube. 1 is equals to 541.250 mm power 4. Then note down first moment of area to the Q value. Then Q is equals to 0.015 into 0.03. Then 0.03 divided by 2 into 2. Then Q value is to the 67.500 meter cube per 3. Then maximum shear stress. Then it is given the tau max. Then tau max is equals to V into Q. Then bar I into T. Then tau max is equals to the value of 50.00 into 67.500. Then 54.250 into 15. Then tau max is equals to the value is given in MPa at the web center is 41.67. Then mean shear stress tau max. Tau means V bar into A. Tau means value of the given in 50.000. Then 0.015 into 0.03. Then the tau means MPa is given the below is 11.11. Then ratio of the maximum to minimum shear stress. Then tau max into tau mean is equals to the value is 41.67 bar 11.11. Then this is the ratio between the shear stress and the maximum ratio will be to the value of 3.7. Then the channel section is to the values given in diagram 120 into 60 mm. Then web height is equals to 30 mm. Then shear stress increasing linearly from 0 at top and bottom edges to tau max. Then the value is nearby to the drawing in the shear diagram for the 41.67 megapascals. Then MPa at the beam of n key points. Minimum in maximum shear stress occurs at web center. Then shear stress will distribution in linear across the web. Then the top and bottom flanges have negligible the shear stress. To the problem, then given the shear stress and the maximum shear stress in the occurs web center for the channel section 120 into 60 mm, then web height 30 mm, then shear stress increasing linearly from the top and bottom. Then thank you sir, thank you for the given opportunity.